I think it's fair to say that Mirror Protocol is pretty broken at the moment. Why is that the case? Let's get straight to it. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Wajahat, and yeah, Mirror Protocol isn't in the best shape at the moment. And one of the big reasons why is because of the premiums. Now, if we just go straight into it and have a look, you can see here that when you kind of look at some of these assets, so let's go to trade. You can see, let's pick Apple for example. We can see that there's two prices here. We've got the pool price and we've got the Oracle price. Now the Oracle price is the actual price of Apple. So if we go have a look at Apple's stock price today, you can see that it's around 167 after hours, $167. And we can see here that Oracle's picked up that price pretty accurately. It's $167. However, if you look at the pool price, look at that, it's 217 UST at the moment with a 30% premium. And that means that when it comes to basically buying one of these shares, $218, ridiculous. You're paying far, far, far above the actual market or the actual Oracle value of Apple. And that's not very good. That's not very good at all. In fact, we need to kind of bring these prices back down. These premiums aren't just for Apple. They're for every single asset here. Look at Alibaba, Bitcoin even, Coinbase, Disney, literally every single one of these has a high premium. You look at Netflix, 26%, PayPal, 24%. This is far, far too high. And it really does hurt people, especially when it comes to shorting, because when you end up closing your short, you're actually paying the pool price. So there needs to be some changes because this just isn't right at the moment. It's not right, and it just makes shorting very difficult, and it makes longing probably a bit too easy. And there's additional risks that come with this because of this high premium. So there was a forum, a proposal from a gentleman, Joseph Savage, who essentially asked to change the short farm maximum reward allocation from 40% to 100%. And you see, what this will do is this will enable more people to start shorting because these short rewards are going to increase. If the short rewards increase, more people are going to short than compared to long, and that should, in theory, bring down the prices of these premiums, bring these premiums down back to normal. You see, what happens is that when premiums are close to 0%, short rewards are pretty much next to zero. And so it should be the other way around as well. So when premiums are high, short rewards should also be high. So here you go. Currently, the maximum reward allocation is only 40%. So of all of the mirror token rewards, only 40% is a max. I think personally I agree with Joseph, and I think that it should actually change. It should go higher, maybe not 100%, but at least higher than 40% for sure. There should be more incentives for people to short when premiums are higher. And go ahead and read this. I'll leave a link in the description below. But he explains all the different current strategies that are going on at the moment and how these will change possibly with this proposal. Now, unfortunately, the first of these proposals actually got rejected because it just missed out by a very, very small amount. However, there is another proposal here that you can actually vote for, and currently we're at 8.5%, so it needs to get up to that 18% mark. I think this is open until the 5th of May, so there's still plenty of time. I do think that we should get there, and hopefully this should actually help Mirror Protocol, because right now it's pretty broken. I think we've seen quite a drastic drop in total value locked as well, so let's have a look. If we go to Terra, I mean, if we look at Mirror, it's now rank 5, and just look at how its total value has gone from, it was over 2 billion back in May and just slowly been declining. Not very good. I think the premiums don't help. In fact, the premiums are one of the reasons why I'm kind of avoiding Mirror for the time being, just because it's not very good. Really, really need to fix this. And yeah, hopefully this should get fixed. We can also look at the Mirror Tracker. This is a lovely web page that kind of tells us all the premiums, all the long and short APRs, and you can kind of compare them all at all times, which is really nice. So definitely go check this website out. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to cover today. Very short video. Just wanted to explain why Mirror is broken at the moment with the high premiums and the proposal to potentially change it. Let's see what happens. Time will tell, of course. If you want to stake your Luna, then go to 1-star validators. You can earn some nice passive income on your Luna there. And I'll be back with another video soon.